There we go. Here we go. Don't leave the room until this man is out or he's won the game. Do not leave your seat.
That's why the crowd is... you can see the crowd excitement when Shahid Afridi came for bat. That's why everybody is shouting.
Here he goes, it's up in the air. Can a man get under it? Well, he can, but it's over the rope.
Brilliant shot from Shahid Afridi, second six of the game from Shahid Afridi. Picked the length ball early, tried to play over extra mid wicket for six. Shahid Afridi is a strong man. When he's sometimes his miss it can go all the way. It's a brilliant shot. Picked the length early. That's the
231st six he's hit in his career. Shahid Afridi. Only one man's hit more. That's Sanat Jasuriya. Chipped that one over mid wicket. He smashed that through extra. Is there still a twist in the tail?
That's a great shot from Shahid Afridi. You never know when Shahid Afridi on the crease, you know, things can happen. Things can, you know, anything can happen.
Didn't carry to Antini at mid-wicket. Jacques Collis is disappointed. He thought Antini could have made a better effort to prevent a boundary. More runs. A boundary, inside edge.
That was hit like a rocket. That's the end. Catch taken. Maybe de Villiers is a catcher. He's a wonderful fielder, and that was just routine for him. And success for Albi Morkel. It was entertaining from Afridi, but it's come to an end.